This video is created by Jagrat Creation. It is on redemption of debentures. I wish to solve one sum here before you. Just observe it. This is a sum which I wish to solve. Saras 3D Limited has 18 lakhs 14% debentures outstanding on 1st of April 2016, redeemable on 31st October 2017. On 1st of April 2016, the debenture redemption fund stood for rupees 14 lakh 98,000, represented by own debentures face value 2 lakhs purchased at an average price of 99 per debenture and 10% stock required at par for rupees 13 lakhs. The annual installment for transfer to redemption fund is 1,42,000. On 31st October 2017, the investment were sold for rupees 12,93,600 and debentures were redeemed. Show 14% debentures account, debenture redemption fund account and debenture redemption fund investment account for the year ended on 31st October 2017. So we are required to prepare 3 accounts. Let me start with the sum. The sum is simple. See, the debenture redemption fund investment are in 2 types of securities. One is own debenture and second 10% stock. Now, first of all, let me write down the opening balances. So, debenture liability at the beginning of the year was 18 lakhs. Then I write opening balance brought down. Now, debenture redemption fund accumulated over years, balance brought down 14 lakh 98,000. It is represented by own debentures 2 lakh purchased at 99% value. So opening balance of own debenture 2 lakhs into 99% because purchase price per debenture is 99 average purchase price. So 2 lakh into 99, 1 lakh 98,000 is the purchase price. The other stock, 10% stock, its purchase price is 13 lakhs. So 13 plus 1 lakh 98,000, 14 lakh 98,000. This is how debenture redemption fund is represented by the investments. Now, what is the annual transfer to debenture redemption fund? 1,42,000. Profit and loss account debit to debenture redemption fund account. So, profit and loss appropriation account debit to debenture redemption fund account. Now, at the end of the year, you will receive the interest on this investment because these are the balances on 1st of April 2016. At the end of the year, we earn interest on debenture redemption fund investment and that interest on debenture redemption fund investment will be credited to debenture redemption fund account. So, 2 lakhs into 14%, that is interest on own debenture and 10% stock, 13 lakhs into 10%. So, this is the total interest. So, bank account debit to debenture redemption fund account credit. Bank account debit to interest on debenture redemption fund account. Interest on debenture redemption fund account debit to debenture redemption fund account credit. This is how on 31st of March, transfer to debenture redemption fund entry is recorded. Now, you should proceed with sale of investment. Bank account debit to 10% stock account credit. Now, 13 lakhs is the purchase price, this is the sales price. So, loss on sale of debenture redemption fund investment will be transferred to debenture redemption fund account. So, debenture redemption fund account is debited with 6,400. Loss on sale of investment. Now, this debentures 1,98,000 own debenture is transferred to debenture account because by that, debentures of rupees 2 lakhs are redeemed. So, 2 lakhs debentures are redeemed at a purchase price of own debenture 1,98,000. So difference between 2 lakh and 1,98,000 is a gain on redemption that can be transferred to capital redemption reserve. That can be transferred to capital reserve. So debenture account debit to capital reserve account credit. Now if any student or teacher is of the opinion that this is also a gain on sale of debenture redemption fund investment, so this should be transferred to debenture redemption fund account. I don't dispute that. Now, remaining debentures are to be paid. So, debenture account debit to debenture holders account credit, debenture holders account debit to bank account, and the balance of this debenture redemption fund account that will be transferred to general reserve. So, this is how 17,98,000 minus 6,400. So, 17,91,600 is transferred to general reserve. This is how all these accounts are prepared and closed. This is a simple sum. I have tried to explain you this sum. I think that you have followed all these things. Thanks to all of you.